Gently shuffle the tool underneath the ear pad and slowly separate. Raise the tool to the opposite SI until you hear a clicking sound. Take your time and follow around the ear pad to slowly separate it from the ear cup. Do not force them out. Pull it to the opposite side to remove the whole ear pad. Simply push the hook into the slot until you hear the clicking sound. Follow around the ear pad until you get all hooks done. Repeat the installation process for the other side. And you are done.